Okay, as usual, I record content. Okay, so we'll start the question. First one, find the dimensions of A by B. Find the dimensions of A by B. A by B. In the equation, F is equal to, A root X. F is equal to A root X plus BT square. F is equal to A root X plus BT square, where F is force. Okay, X is distance, and T is time. X is distance and T is time. I'll repeat the question. Find the dimensions of A by B in the equation F is equal to A root X plus BT square, where F is force, X is distance, and T is time. Okay, so in this question we are going to find A by B. So A, B constants. Okay, now in the question remember one thing. So dimensions positive, that is addition, subtraction, only multiplication, division. So now my earlier topic discuss similar to that. So now the equation split. So F is equal to A root X and F is equal to B T square. Okay, from this relation try to find A. So A is equal to F by root X and B is equal to F by T square. So what is the dimension for A and what is the dimension for B? Tell me. Without try pannunga, dimensions we are going to check it. So dimensions final pannittu, then we are going to find A by B. Try pannunga. Any doubt in that, please ask me there itself. Okay, so doubts now clarify pandra. So or else you can do this one. So try to find A by B.
A is equal to m root L t minus 2.
A is equal to m root L t minus 2. Okay, right? So m root L நம்ம வராது. So L power 1 by 2 power terms தான் நம்ம discuss பண்றோம். M L power 1 by 2 t power minus 2. Correct? It is your E. What about B? What about B? F by T square.
ml.
Remember, இது T square இருக்குமா? Right. So இது L t power minus 2 by T square. So T square வந்து numerator போயிடுச்சுனா it is a T power minus 2. So it is M L t power minus 4. M L t power minus 4. It is your B. Okay. Now I am going to find A by B. So A oda dimension என்னது? M L power 1 by 2 t power minus 2 by M L t power minus 4. So then what is the answer? What is the answer?
L minus 1 by 2 t minus 2.
Yes, ma'am. L minus 1 by 2 t minus 2. Okay. So ஏதாவது difficulty இருக்கு, ஏதாவது problem இருக்குன்னா please ask me here itself. Doubt clarify பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த மாதிரி sums நிறைய இருக்கு. Okay. Clear? Okay. So we are going to see the next one. Next sum. இதுல doubt இருக்கா? Any doubt? Response பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க second and third ஆனாலும். சரி, okay. So next question note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next question. Find the dimensions of A into B. Find the dimensions of A into B. Dimensions of A into B. Okay, A into B. In the relation P is equal to, B minus X square by 80. P is equal to B minus X square by 80, where P is power p is power x is distance and t is time. P is power x is distance and t is time. T is time. See, இந்த மாதிரி ரிலேஷன்ஸ் வரும்போது see இங்கே subtraction இருக்கு and as well as division terms இருக்கு. So b ஒரு constant, a ஒரு constant. So we are going to find a cross b. Multiplication நான் find பண்ணணும். So remember இந்த மாதிரி ரிலேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது மைனஸ் ன்னு சொல்லும்போது so for example if I want to find a b வந்து நான் நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணணும். If I want to find b a வந்து நான் நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஏதாவது ஒரு டேர்ம் நான் நெக்லெக்ட் பண்றதா அதர் டேர்ம் நான் வந்து I can able to find it. So இங்க வந்து அடிஷன் வந்தாலும் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் வந்தாலும் ரிமெம்பர் இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து I am equating. இங்க அடிஷன் வந்தா சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் வந்தா I am going to equate. So b is equal to x square. b is equal to x square. Remember அங்க அடிஷன் வந்தா சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் வந்தா just try to relate it. Equate பண்ணுங்க. Okay, next எனக்கு வந்து b நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணாத a வரும். b நெக்லெக்ட் பண்ணாத a வரும். So p is equal to I'm neglecting b. So dimensions are negative வராது. So I'll directly take p is equal to x square by 80. p is equal to x square by 80. Now in the relation lo b is equal to x square. X வந்து it is nothing but distance. So that is l square. p வந்து power. Okay, power into time period by x square is a. Okay, try to find a dimension. So b you already know. Try to find the a cross b. Do it. Remember in the relation, so இங்க வந்து எனக்கு a வேணும்னா b நெக்லெக்ட் பண்றேன், b வேணும்னா a நெக்லெக்ட் பண்றேன். So இங்க நெகட்டிவ் டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது ஆர் பாசிட்டிவ் டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது நான் டைரக்டா ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணிடுறேன். அந்த பிசிக்கல் குவாண்டிட்டியோட நான் ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணிடுறேன் அந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட். ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணாதான் நான் கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியும் and ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். Remember this relation.
a is equal to mt minus 2t.
a is equal to mt minus 2. கொஞ்சம் செக் பண்ணுங்க. a is equal to m power minus 1
t power square.
Yes ma, m power minus 1 t square. A is equal to m power minus 1 t square. Now what is the answer? A cross b?
Minus
A
1
cross b?
L2 T2.
Yes, m power minus 1 L square t square. So this is your answer, A cross b. Okay, right now. Next question. Idhula edha doubt irundha please ask me. Any doubts? இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चंस வந்து ரிப்பீட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். இதே மாதிரி பேட்டர்ன்ல தான் நிறைய क्वेश्चंस இருக்கு. இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா? Okay, next question. Next question. The van der Waals equation. The van der Waals equation for a gas. The van der Waals equation for a gas is P plus A by B square. P plus A by B square into B minus B is equal to RT. P plus A by B square into V minus B is equal to RT. Determine the dimensions of A and B. Determine the dimensions of A and B. Okay, we need to find the dimensions of A and B separately. Okay, so van der Waals equation and it is for gas. So P plus A by B square into B minus B. Okay, now so here if you see that இதுல P na என்னது? van der Waals equation உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். P na என்னது?
Pressure.
Pressure. V na?
Volume.
Yes ma'am. Okay, so try to find A and B from this. Try to find A and B. If you know it, try to do it, or else I'll tell you. So நான் already சொல்லிருக்கேன், if you want to find any constants, other constant நான் வந்து remove பண்றேன். But இங்க பார்க்கும்போது இங்க வந்து plus இருக்கு, இங்க minus இருக்கு, but it was multiplying. Okay, remember when you want to find A, so நான் வந்து அதோட term ஓட equate பண்றேன். So இந்த மாதிரி term இருக்கும்போது, so I'll directly equate P is equal to A by B square and இங்கே B is equal to D. So if you want to find A is equal to P into B square. B is equal to. Try to find the dimensions for A and as well as B.
A is equal to m L2 T minus 2.
A is equal to m
L2
L2
T minus 2.
நல்லா பாருங்க இது வந்து வால்யூம் L cube whole square இருக்கு L cube whole square இருக்கு okay so இது m L power 5 T power minus 2 வரும் please check it okay volume square இருக்கு V square இருக்கு so you have to take L cube whole square so multiply ஆகும் power terms so it will be 6 L power 6 okay and for V is equal to B so it is nothing
L
but
cube.
is L cube okay right any doubts
No.
okay next question mu is equal to next question mu is equal to இது நீங்க பண்ணுங்க mu equal to a plus b by lambda square mu equal to a plus b by lambda square a plus b by lambda square I need to find the dimensions for a and b I need to find the dimensions for a and b dimensions for a and b okay now so mu is nothing but your refractive index idoda relation வந்து velocity of light in air by velocity of light in medium okay mu is nothing but velocity of light in air by that is your c by velocity of light in medium v mu is equal to c by d this is your relation okay I'm going to find a and b dimensions separately so try to find it mu வந்து நீங்க ray optics நீங்க படிச்சிருக்கீங்க refractive index so try to find the relations try to find the relations for this one so remember mu வந்து c by v c velocity தான் v velocity தான் c வந்து speed of light in vacuum 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second square இது velocity meter per second square so refractive index வந்து it is nothing but ratio mu க்கு there are no units refractive index க்கு there are no units now so from this relation a b I need to find so mu is equal to a now the equation நான் split பண்றேன் because addition is there and mu is equal to b by lambda square is equal to b by lambda square. So from this relation, a on the dimensionless because it is equal to mu. A is dimensionless. A is dimensionless, and here b is equal to mu into lambda square. So mu on the dimensionless. So lambda is nothing but your wavelength. So wavelength unit on the it is nothing but meter square. When it is meter square, b is L square. Dimension for b is L square. This is your relation. Okay. Okay, any doubt? Okay, next one now. Next one. Next question. Rule out or accept. Next question. Rule out or accept. Or accept. Accept the following formulae. Rule out or accept the following formulae for kinetic energy. For kinetic energy on the basis of dimensional arguments. On the basis of dimensional arguments. On the basis of dimensional arguments. I'll repeat again. Rule out or accept the following formulae for kinetic energy on the basis of dimensional formulae. Okay. So now on the killer, I'll give some relations. You have to check with respect to the kinetic energy. The equation, it will be correct. Okay. So the first one, 3 by 16 m v square. So we are going to check these dimensions with the kinetic energy. Second one. So half m v square plus ma. Half m v square plus ma. Half m v square plus ma. Okay, try to find. Try to find. Is the formula correct? 3 by 16 mv square or half mv square plus mv. Kinetic energy oda dimension ku match pannuங்க. If it is matches, it is correct. The faster pannuங்க நிறைய sums இருக்குங்க.
One correct, sir.
First one correct, yes ma'am. First one correct. Dimension it was correct. Okay. What about second one?
Second one wrong.
Second one wrong. Second one எப்படிமா பண்ணீங்க?
Kinetic energy 1/2 ml2, sir.
Okay. mv square. Okay, b na lt power minus 1 whole square. Correct? இது வந்து mlt power minus 1. Right? So mv square, half mv square தானே? Half mv square. So இது lt power minus 2 whole square. Okay, then அப்புறம் வேற என்ன பண்ணீங்க?
Correct.
என்னாச்சு?
So correct,
Okay,
sir.
see, remember, so next mass into acceleration. Remember, there are two terms are there, mass into acceleration. Now, already solitaire kinetic energy, we have to equate the two terms separately. So, ml t power minus 1 whole square is equal to mass into l t power minus 2. Remember, this is l square t power minus 2. When you're doing the square, that is l square t power minus 2. Here, l square t power minus 2. So, first, this is correct. It is correct, but second one is wrong. It is not equal because இங்க வந்து power term வந்து square இருக்கு, L square இருக்கு, இங்க L தான் இருக்கு. So MA is not matching. So when the equation is, when you are checking the equation check பண்ணும்போது ரெண்டு கரெக்டா இருந்தா தான் it will be correct. Or else what will happen? It is wrong. Okay. So the second equation is wrong. You cannot able to use it. Okay. ஏன்னா வந்து இங்க L square இருக்கு, இங்க L இருக்கு. So தனித்தனியா நான் வந்து split பண்ணிட்டு find out பண்ணணும். Okay. So next question note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next question. Next question. Okay. So we need to find the dimensions for this equation. So match panna LHS is equal to RHS. First question. T is equal to 2 pi by R square root of R cube by G. T is equal to 2 pi by R square root of R cube by G. So capillary is radius. Capillary is radius. Smaller is equal to radius of the orbit. Okay, it is radius of the earth, it is radius of the orbit. Small g is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So we are going to check whether the equation is right or wrong. Second one, second equation. Now on the 2-3 questions try to find it. Second one, E is equal to b minus x square by 80. E is equal to b minus x square by 80. E is energy, x is distance, t is time. E is energy, x is distance, t is time. And third one, P is equal to A minus T square. A minus T square by Bx. A minus Tx square by Bx. P is pressure, X is distance, T is time. E energy, P is pressure. Okay, so try to find it. So so for this one, for the second one, you are going to find A into B. You are going to find A into B. For the third one, you are going to find A by B dimensionally. So try it. First one correct, ma. Okay, first one correct. First one correct. Okay, what about the other two? First one correct. Second one, find A cross B, and third one A by B. Second one answer என்னது? A cross B.
M power minus 1 L square, sir. T power 1.
T power 1. Super, ma. Correct.
1.
Correct. Second one is that. Okay. Third one. P on the pressure, X on the distance, T is time. Sir, please solve the second question. Okay, ma. I'll solve the second question. Okay, second and third are almost similar. Both are similar. So now second question I'll solve. So in this relation, so dimensions law. So what I told you that dimensions law, the addition subtraction area, we have to equate the term directly. So from this relation, so b minus x square. So if you want to find a, I have to neglect b. If you want to find b, I have to neglect a. So now on the first b find out. So it is minus x square. So I'll directly take b is equal to x square. B is equal to x square. First one. Okay. So x is your distance. So the relation is L square. X is your distance, it is L square. Now, so B வந்து நான் neglect பண்றேன். B neglect பண்ணிட்டேன்னா இங்க வந்து negative term வராது. So dimensionsல there are no negative terms. So E is equal to x square by AT. E is equal to x square by AT. So I need to find A. So A is equal to x square by E into T. A is equal to x square by E into T. So from this relation, try to find E. So A final பண்ணிட்டு A cross B பண்ணுங்க. Similar to that third question. Try to find A cross B from this. E on the energy. So energy relation dimensions on the energy உங்களுக்கு தெரியலனாலும் so remember work and energy both are same. இது m L square T power minus 2. Energy is it is L square by m L square T power minus 2 into T. So L square will get cancelled. So it is m power minus 1. Okay. So T power minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So minus m power minus 1 into T. Okay. So here I need to multiply A cross B. So A B and it is L square into A another m power minus 1 T. So the answer is m power minus 1 L square T. This is your answer. Okay. So similar to the third one, try பண்ணுங்க. Third one answer ma. Third one answer Maha.
Sir,
Third one ma. சொல்லுங்க.
A வந்து T square, sir.
A வந்து T square, okay.
B M power minus 1 T power 4.
Okay.
A by B
சொல்லுங்க.
வந்து MT power minus 2.
Yes ma, correct. A by B வந்து MT power minus 2. So third one answer on the A by B is MT power minus 2. This is your answer. Okay. So if there doubt in the please ask me now. So or else we'll do some more sums. Doubts irukama? The three sums lo. So in the relations on the type of questions on the repeat ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். அந்த terms physical quantities மட்டும் change ஆகும். Method வந்து இதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, ma. Sir, next question we'll see. Next question, we are going to check the correctness of equation. So check the correctness of equation relation. So question is small t is equal to k square root, small t is equal to k square root r cube by s. Small t is equal to k square root rho r cube by s. So time period, t is time period. Okay, k is proportional constant. R is radius, rho is your density, s is your surface tension. So time period, density, radius, surface tension. So try to find the correctness of this equation. Is it correct?
Wrong.
Wrong. Okay, ma. So surface tension or unit another ma? Surface tension unit another? Correct, sir. Yes, ma. So the unit is correct. So equation is correct. So now check so here the time period t equal to constant k on the so only the density, radius, and the surface tension I'll take. So whole power 1 by 2. Square root whole power 1 by 2. Density, mass by volume. So m L power minus 3 for density into r cube. R cube na L cube divided by surface tension. Surface tension and the mt power minus 2. Mt power minus 2. So we can say surface tension, force constant, and the same though. Okay. So it is nothing but force by the distance. So mlt power minus 2 by LL will get cancelled, mt power minus 2. Okay. So in the L cube cancel right now. Okay. will get cancelled. So t power minus 2 mele poichuna t square. So t square whole power 1 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So t is equal to t. LH is equal to R. Okay. So the relation is correct. Right? Is that doubt? Doubt in the killing, please not repeat. I'm just going slower only. Okay, so in the type of relations and the questions lose marks. Okay, next question. Next question. In the equation y equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. T and x stand for time and distance. T is time, x is distance. T is time, x is distance. Obtain the dimension formula for omega and k. Obtain the dimension formula for omega and k. Okay, so if you know it, please do it. Okay, so this is your equation. Either time t, x on the displacement. This x is displacement. Okay, so we need to find the dimensions for omega and k. So I'm equating, remember, I'm equating this relation in terms of y is equal to a sine theta or y is equal to a sine omega t. So theta is nothing but your unit on the radians already. Theta is nothing but your angular displacement. Theta is nothing but your angle. Okay, angular displacement. So theta there are no dimensions because the unit is radians. The unit is radians. When we are discussing about the dimensionless, I'm going to equate it with respect to 1. Okay, dimensionless and I'm going to equate with respect to 1. So in this relation, so this is the minus. Remember minus split omega t is equal to 1 and kx is equal to 1. Omega t is equal to 1 and kx is equal to 1. So from this relation, omega is equal to 1 by t and k is equal to 1 by x. Omega is equal to 1 by t and k is equal to 1 by x. So as reverse பண்ணும்போது இது t inverse ஆகும், இது l inverse. This is your dimensions for omega and k. Later doubt in this ask. In the type of questions over. Not particular. Okay, so in the type of question the last question நான் சொல்றேன். Okay, so after that we'll go to the next set of patterns. So dimensions நிறைய இருக்கு. The last one, last question. So இது வந்து ஈஸியா இருக்கு நம்புறேன், நீங்க பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றீங்க நம்புறேன். Okay, நான் ஸ்லோவா தான் போறேன். Next question. So in the type of verification last question. T is equal to 2 pi square root m l cube by 2 pi square root m l cube by 3y. T is equal to 2 pi square root m l cube by 3y. So y cube, 3y cube. Okay, so in these dimensions, so we need to find the quantity. Okay, find the dimensions of the quantity q. We need to find the dimensions for the quantity q. Okay, so t is your time period. Okay, and l is your length. L is length, t is time, m is mass, and y is Young's modulus. So we are going to find the quantity q. Q or dimensions I'm going to find. Right. Time period, mass, length, Young's modulus. Young's modulus is nothing but stress by strain. So the relation is nothing but stress because strain is nothing but dimensionless. So stress is nothing but force by area. Young's modulus is equal to stress. Okay, both are having same units and same dimensions. Right. Q is equal to LT. கிடையாதுமா, அதை செக் பண்ணுங்க தினேஷ். LT கிடையாது. So the relation just write in terms of Q. So the relation full Q la convert பண்ணுங்க. Q la convert பண்ணிட்டு then you can find the dimensions for it. Okay, try to find. Okay, I'll write this relation in terms of Q. So in the relation, so I'll write like this. So square irukku. So in the square root, I'll try to shift in this direction to the left side. So upper relation enna agurna. So it is t square is equal to 4 pi square, because it is square pannada I can able to shift it, into ml by 3y cube. ml by 3y cube. So q na eppadi shift pandra. So q is equal to 4 pi square m l square by 3y t square. So from this relation, try to find q. So 4 pi square constant varadu, m is your mass, l is your length. Okay, y is Young's modulus and t square, time period.
Sir, L power 4.
Yes, ma, correct. Q is L power 4. Q is L power 4. L square varaduma, L power 4 varum. So idu neenga note pannikonga. So I will try to solve it. So Q is equal to, I need to find. So in the relation of 4 pi square varadu. So m is nothing but your mass, m, l is your length. So L square by, so 3 constant adu varadu. Y is your Young's modulus. Young's modulus on the force by area. Force on the ml t power minus 2 by area L square. Suppose m l power minus 1 t power minus 2 and into t square. Okay, so in this relation t square will get cancelled. Okay, and idhara length vandu L square. Sorry, na L square கொடுத்தேன் L cube கொடுத்தேன். Sorry ma, it is L cube. It is L cube. It is L cube. ML cube. Okay, L cube. So t square will get cancelled. So it is L mela poichina, it will be L power 4. Okay, so it is L cube. So the answer is L power 4. Answer is L power 4. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next type of questions பார்க்கலாம். இதுல இந்த type of questionsல வந்து you are going to create the relation. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து verification தான் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Like LHS equal to RHS. இது வந்து A by B, A cross B ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம find out பண்ணிருக்கோம். இல்லைன்னா வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு physical quantity நம்ம find out பண்றோம். Next set of questions வந்து with the help of dimensions, we are creating the relations. The relations வந்து நம்ம create பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் with the help of dimensions. Okay, so first question note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So question வந்து நம்ம lengthy-ஆ இருக்கும், but அதோட dependencies மட்டும் நீங்க note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So நான் வந்து full-ஆ question நான் வந்து சொல்ல மாட்டேன். It will take time. So I'll give the dependencies. Okay, first relation, first question. The period of oscillation depends on period and சொல்லும்போது it is nothing but your time period. It is depends on mass of the bob. Remember the sequence. On the sequence we have to write it. Mass of the bob, length of the pendulum, and acceleration due to gravity, small g. Okay, and acceleration due to gravity, small g. The question is the time period. So period of oscillation depends upon the mass of the bob, length of the pendulum, and acceleration due to gravity of the place. So we are going to derive the relation for time period with the help of dimensions. Okay, now so in the relations, so the time period depends upon mass, length, and acceleration due to gravity. In the sequence what we have to do, inge on the proportional constant, we have to equate like a constant, proportional constant, not k and n. So remember here in this type of relations, we are going to take the power terms. On the dependencies, I'm taking the power terms m power a, l power b, g power c. So first of all, I'm going to find the ABC by using the relations LHS is equal to RHS. Now, so this is the full dimensions to connect the relations and dimensions. M is nothing but your mass, so it is nothing but m power a. Okay, and L is nothing but your length, L power b. Okay, and G is nothing but your acceleration due to gravity. It is L t power minus 2 whole power c. Okay, so நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா பவர் டர்ம்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி வந்து நான் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றேன் டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் வைஸ். இதுல வந்து ABC ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் கம்பேர் பண்றேன் with the help of LHS. Now it is equal to, so if I am writing it, m power a, L power இது b இருக்கு, இங்க c இருக்கு. So L power b plus c and t power minus 2c. So which I am equating with m power 0, L power 0, t power 1. Okay, L power 0, m power 0, t power 1. ஏன்னா வந்து இங்க டைம் பீரியட் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. நான் equating LHS equal to RHS. பவர் டர்ம்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் ஈக்குவேட் பண்றேன். ஏன்னா வந்து பேசிஸ் ரெண்டு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஆயிருக்கும், சேம் ஆயிருக்கும். ஸோ பவர் டர்ம்ஸ் ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த ரிலேஷன் டு, ஸோ when I'm equating the mass, so A is equal to 0. Equating mass, A is equal to 0. Second one, length, B plus C is equal to 0. Length, B plus C is equal to 0. Third one, time period. So minus 2C is equal to 1. Minus 2C is equal to 1. If minus 2C is equal to 1, C is equal to, it is minus 1 by 2. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. If C is equal to minus 1 by 2, இது நான் வந்து செகண்ட்ல நான் சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணும்போது it is B is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 1 by 2. So A, B, C values எனக்கு வந்துச்சு. I am going to substitute this relation in the first term. So P is equal to K, m power 0. M power 0, it is 1, so there is no mass. L power B, L power 1 by 2, and G power minus 1 by 2. So it is L power 1 by 2, G power minus 2 na, minus 1 by 2 na, it is nothing but denominator. So the relation is T is equal to K root L by G. It is your time period of oscillation of a pendulum. Okay, T is equal to K root L by G. This is your relation. So in the power terms match equate we are going to find the ABC terms. Is there any doubts in the please ask me. K on the proportional constant. This is now the percent. If you have any doubts, please ask me in these relations. Or any doubts? A is equal to M. A is not M. Maha, A is not M. A power terms in the match pandra. A is equal to 0. Okay. Is there doubts here? So I'll do the second question. Now on the dependencies, now try to find the relation here. So second question. Without doubt in the please ask me there. Now let me repeat pandra. Only issues in the we'll go slowly. Okay. So next relation. Velocity depends on and the sequence of wavelength. Velocity depends on wavelength, density of water. Velocity depends on wavelength, density, and acceleration due to gravity. Velocity depends on wavelength, density, and acceleration due to gravity. So it is lambda power A, rho power B, G power C. V is proportional to velocity is proportional to lambda power A, rho power B, G power C. So that is wavelength, density, and acceleration due to gravity. Find the relation from it. Find the relations. Got the answer? ABC values சொல்லுங்க போதும். Try to find ABC.
A is equal to 1.
A equal to 1. Illama. Wrong. B. What is the value of B? Value of B?
1/2.
Okay. நீங்க மாத்திட்டீங்க. A is equal to 1/2 வரும். B வந்து 0 வரும். சரி, okay. நான் பண்றேன். So velocity is LT power minus 1 is equal to LT power minus 1 is equal to இங்கே lambda is nothing but your wavelength. Wavelength unit வந்து L. Okay. So it is L power A. Density mass by volume. So M L power minus 3 whole power B. And acceleration due to gravity வந்து it is LT power minus 2 whole power C. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா masses, lengths, time period நான் வந்து split பண்றேன். So M power B, L power A இருக்கு minus 3B plus C. A minus 3B plus C. L power A minus 3B plus C. And T power minus 2C. Okay, now I'm going to equate with respect to LHS. M power 0 because there is no mass. L power 1, T power minus 1. So M power B and M power 0. So I'm just comparing B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. Now second one, length. So A minus 3B plus C is equal to 1. A minus 3B plus C is equal to 1. If B is equal to 0, A plus C is equal to 1. A plus C is equal to 1. This is second. Time period are related. Minus 2C is equal to minus 1. So minus minus will get cancelled. C is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 2C is equal to minus 1. C is equal to 1 by 2. So now C is equal to 1 by 2 now. A plus C is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So A is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. C is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 0. These are your relations. Okay, now I'm going to substitute in the upper part. Okay, this is not substitute. If there is a doubt in the, please let me know. So A power, it is 1 by 2, B power 0, and C power 1 by 2. So the relation is B is equal to K square root of lambda G. B is equal to K square root of lambda G. Is there a doubt in the, please ask me. Any doubts in this? Not particular. Right now, next question. Next question. Next question. Mass is depends on, mass is proportional to, or mass depends on okay, depends on 1 second, velocity. Mass depends on velocity, okay, density and acceleration due to gravity. Velocity, density and acceleration due to gravity. So try to find the relation. It is mass, is velocity, density and acceleration due to gravity. E power A, rho power B, G power C. Try to find the relation. ABC values first. B is equal to 1. Okay, B equal to 1. Next. Next one. The A and C values. What about A and C values? C is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. 3 varaduma. C is equal to minus 3 varudhu. Oru thara check panikonga. C is equal to minus 3 varudhu and A is equal to 6 varudhu. C is equal to minus 3 and A is equal to 6. Try to check it. Yes, sir. A is equal to 6. C is equal to minus 3 varudhu. Okay. Sir, if you are trying, okay, just try it. Okay. Answers note panikonga. Suppose either doubt you can ask me later. Okay. A is equal to 6. B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 3. Idhula substitute பண்ணும்போது p power 6, rho power 1, g power minus 3 வரும். This is a relation. Okay. Relation மட்டும் note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. We'll go to the next one. Next one. What is it? Not பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Okay, ma. Sir, next the relations on the idhe madri da irukum. So you are going to find the relation with the help of dimension analysis. Okay. So direct dependencies on the sequence appadi edutittu power terms edutittu just match it and find the ABC values. So idu neenga vandu na worksheet madri na iniki kudukren units and dimensions la vandu so try to practice it. Next one, errors. Next relations, next terms vandu we'll try to find errors. Okay. So when we are discussing about the error measurement errors, okay, there are 3 terms are there. So error, accuracy, and precision. So what is an error? Anyone? Error na enadhu? Accuracy na enadhu? Precision na enadhu? What is an error?
Mistake in measurement.
Yes, mistake in measurements or difference in the measurements. So for example, okay, so நீங்க வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் நீங்க மெஷர் பண்றீங்க, அதுக்கு ஒரு actual value இருக்கு. So when you're doing the difference between the actual and the measure value, that is nothing but error. The relation is actual measurement minus, okay, actual minus measure value. Actual value, you can mention actual value minus measured value. Actual value minus measure value is nothing but error. அதோட டிஃபரன்ஸ் தான் எரர்னு சொல்றோம். ஆக்சுவல் வேல்யூக்கு மெஷர் வேல்யூக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ். ஓகே, இதுல வந்து நிறைய டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் எரர்ஸ் இருக்கு. டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் எரர்ஸ் வந்து if you're measuring systematic error, random error, human error, least count error, there are so many errors out there. Okay, the errors எது வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். So when we are discussing about the actual to the measure, it is nothing but error. What about the accuracy? What is accuracy?
Accuracy, how our measurement is actual value, sir.
It is similar to the actual value. You can say similar to the actual value. When we can say that actual value and measure value both are same, then error is equal to 0. Actual value, measure value both are same. When error is equal to 0, we call it as accuracy. Error 0 is not, we call it as accuracy. What about the precision?
How we measure the
Yes. So how we measure the values, and remember one more thing. So when we are discussing about the precision value, these are nothing but your least count values. So least count quantities are least count values, least count measure values. Like நீங்க வந்து screw gauge வெளியே calculate அந்த least count இருக்கு 0.001, 0.002, the least count values near to the actual values. So small values are near to the actual values. So this is nothing but precision values. Remember it has a least count values, which is near to the actual values. Okay, so when we are discussing about the error measurements, in the error measurement ku or sequence irukku. All sequences we are relating with respect to your precision values. It was near to the actual values. Now, so we'll discuss about one by one. Idhula relations na vandu romba deep ah pomatta. The relations formulas mattum na note pandren. Then we'll do some more problems on this. So idhula vandu error measurement la there is a sequence. And the sequence you already know that. So absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. Absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. Now, first of all, so first absolute error. Absolute error எப்படி find out பண்றோம்னா, so true value க்கு measured value க்கு difference தான் absolute error னு சொல்றோம். True value க்கு measured value க்கு difference தான் absolute error. அது எப்படி find out பண்றோம்? So what will do? So whatever we are discussing here, these are nothing but your error measurements. These are nothing but your error measurements. Okay, na? So idhula first of all, now some precision values which is near to the actual value. Adula actual value enna theriyum. So I'm taking some precision values A1, A2, and A3. There are 3 values are there. Just I'll take 3 values. Okay, these are your precision values. First, idoda actual value na find out pandren. To find the actual value from this precision values, I'm going to average it. Okay, first I'm going to average it A1 plus A2 plus A3 by 3. A1 plus A2 plus A3 by 3. It is nothing but your actual value. A bar is your actual value. Okay, so இதுல வந்து எத்தனை நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதோட நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் சம்மேஷன் ஓகே அதோட வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாம் சம்மேஷன் டிவைடட் பை திஸ் நம்பர். Okay, n numbers இருக்கும்போது there are n numbers are there divided by n. It is your actual value, other average. Now I'm going to find the absolute error. Absolute error எனக்கு வேணும்னா so individual errors நான் find out பண்ணணும். Absolute error is nothing but individual errors. So absolute error is equal to so del A1 that means absolute error. அதுல வந்து individual precision valuesல என்ன error இருக்கு நான் find out பண்றேன். To find the error I'll specify it as del. So individual errors del A1 is equal to actual minus measured. So A bar minus A bar. Actual minus measure. A bar is your actual minus measure value on the A bar. That's the error on the del A bar. Adhe madi. Okay, ஏதாவது network actually inside ஒரு network issue இருந்தது. இப்போ clear இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு audio and video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So sometimes இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு, please hold it down. Okay, ஒரு 2 minutes 1 minute குள்ள வந்து திரும்பி return back ஆயிடும். Okay, 1 minute. So இங்க வந்து first of all I'm going to find the average, and the average தான் it is nothing but your actual value. Now I'm going to find the individual errors. In the individual errors that we call it as absolute errors. So absolute errors. So first step is your absolute errors. Now we got the absolute errors. Now next one is your mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. One the errors நான் வந்து average பண்றேன். So one the errors average பண்ணும்போது is your second step mean absolute error. So it is nothing but del A bar ல நான் specify பண்றேன். When you are discussing about the errors, del A bar. So A bar is nothing but your average value. So is equal to so del A1 plus del A2 and so on by its number n. So del A1 plus del A2 and so on by its value. And remember when you are discussing about the mean absolute error, இதர values எல்லாம் modulus இருக்கும். எல்லாம் positive values தான் இருக்கும். Negative values இருக்காது. எல்லாம் positive values தான் இருக்கும். Negative values இருக்காது. This is nothing but your mean absolute error, or sometimes we can say final absolute error. Final absolute error. Individual errors நான் வந்து average பண்ணும்போது you'll get this value del A1. Next one relative error. Relative error ன்னு சொல்லலாம், fractional error ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Relative error ன்னு சொல்லலாம், fractional error ன்னு சொல்லலாம். To find this relative error, okay, we'll get the problems on the relative error alone. So sometimes on the relative error ன்னு கேட்கலாம், sometimes on the percentage error ன்னு கேட்கலாம். Okay, relative error or fractional error ன்னு சொல்றோம். So the relation is nothing but relative error or fractional error is del A bar by A bar. Relative error is nothing but relation between the error and the actual value. Okay, del A bar by A bar. And fourth one, percentage error. Fourth one, percentage error. So to find the percentage error, just relative error into 100. A bar by A bar into 100. This is nothing but your percentage error. Relative error into 100 panna will get the percentage error. These are your error measurement sequence. Okay, இது ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். இதுல வந்து என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு வேல்யூ கொடுத்துருவாங்க 5 to 6 வேல்யூஸ், அதுல ஆவரேஜ் பண்ணிட்டு அதுல எரர் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு அதோட திரும்பி ஆவரேஜ் பண்ணிட்டு அதோட ரேஷியோ பண்ணிட்டு we are going to find the percentage error. Okay, இது வந்து ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு சிம்பிள் கால்குலேஷன் தான். ஸோ அடிஷன் அண்ட் ஆவரேஜ் அதோட டிவிஷன் டர்ம்ஸ் தான் நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ இது ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து நான் பண்ண மாட்டேன், ஏன்னா இட் வில் டேக் மோர் டைம். நம்ம கால்குலேட்டர்ஸ் எதுவுமே அலோட் கிடையாது எக்ஸாம்ஸ்ல. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ப்ராக்டிஸ் திஸ் ஒன் சிம்பிள் கால்குலேஷன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ வில் கோ டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டர்ம்ஸ் வந்து propagation of errors. Okay, இது விட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் வந்து we will discuss about the propagation of errors or combination of errors ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so இது error measurements in the sequence. So absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் மீ. இதுல நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் பண்ணல, ஏன்னா வந்து இது only simple relations. நான் worksheet கொடுக்குறேன், நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, right. So we'll go to the next one. இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் மீ. இதுல சிம்பிள் ரிலேஷன்ஸ், அதனால நான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ரஷ் பண்றேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா இதுல?
No, sir.
Okay, next one, combination of errors. Next one, combination of errors or propagation of errors. In the combination of errors ரொம்ப important. Okay, combination of errors and propagation of errors. Okay, so combination of errors or propagation of errors வந்து இதுல வந்து 3 types வருது. One, addition. Okay, second one, your multiplication, and third one, your power terms. Addition, multiplication, and your power terms. அது எப்படி இருக்கும் பார்க்கலாம். So first one, non-direct relations ல போயிடும். So first one, addition, that is summation or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. Second one, multiplication or division. Multiplication or division. And third one, the power terms. Third one, power terms. Okay, now one way we'll see. So first one, we'll see the summation, subtraction, addition or subtraction. For example, so what I'll do, உங்களுக்கு வந்து resistance உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். We'll take an example with respect to your resistance. Resistance series connection, resistance parallel connection உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். And when we are discussing about the resistance, உங்களுக்கு வந்து resistance-ல ஒரு color coding உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Silver, gold, no color சொல்லிட்டு edge-ல இருக்கும் அது. So that is nothing but your tolerance சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க சொல்றீங்க. The tolerance is nothing but your error actually. Okay, அதுதான் limitations ன்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, now so a simple circuit. So these are two resistance. It is R1 and it is R2. There are two resistance. Okay, ரெண்டு resistance இருக்கு. ரெண்டு சீரிஸ்ல இருக்கு. What is the total resistance? Equivalent resistance ன்னு சொல்லும்போது it is nothing but R is equal to R1 plus R2. So we are going to find the summation here. So sum ன்னு சொல்லலாம், product சொல்லலாம். So errorsல வந்து நம்ம summation மட்டும் தான் பண்றோம். Subtraction எதுவுமே இருக்காது. Now, so with the help of this example, we are going to find the sum and submission. Okay. So first one, so R1 ன்னு சொல்லும்போது the resistance. So resistance value, it will be having its own value and இதோட error இருக்கும். அதோட tolerance இருக்கும். அது எப்படி நான் specify பண்றேன்னா R1 plus or minus del R1. R1 plus or minus del R1. Del R1 is nothing but your relation, tolerance and சொல்லலாம், limitations and சொல்லலாம். Okay, resistance value they will be having some plus or minus values. எது இருந்தாலும் எந்த measurement இருந்தாலும், like for example scale readings ல plus or minus quantities இருக்கும், tolerance இருக்கும். அந்த tolerance base பண்ணி நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். We got as limitations. Now second resistance R2 வந்து R2 plus or minus del R2. R2 plus or minus del R2. There are two resistance values. Now I am going to find the equivalent resistance. To find the equivalent resistance, what I'll do, I'm going to add that up. So other equivalent on the R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R. First, I'm going to find the R equivalent value. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. So in the R equivalent, there will be having some tolerance. So del R equivalent is equal to del R1 plus del R2. Del R1 is equal to del R1 plus del R2. So final R equivalent relation in our now, so it is R1 R equivalent plus del R equivalent. So when you are discussing about the errors, so error addition or subtraction வந்து இதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Errors only நம்ம add மட்டும் தான் பண்றோம். அதனால நான் plus மட்டும் தான் போட்டுருக்கேன். When we are discussing about the even subtraction also என்ன பண்றோம், R1 minus R2 பண்ணுவோம். But error வந்து we are going to add it. Okay, this is your addition or subtraction of the sums. இது plus or minus. Okay, so it is your first one. இது வந்து combination of errors வரும். நம்ம problems பண்ணல பண்றோம். It is your combination of errors. Okay, so second one பார்க்கலாம். Second one is your multiplication or division. Okay, second one, multiplication or division. So in this multiplication or division, I'll take an example. Z is equal to AB. When we are doing the multiplication or division, nalla purinjikonga, idhula vandu we are discussing with respect to the relative error. Now final relation kudutharen. Z is equal to A by B, A into B vandalum, Z is equal to A by B vandalum, ore relation da, that is your relative error. So the relation will be relative error for Z. It is del Z by Z. Relative error. Okay, del Z by Z. So error by actual error. And is equal to del A by A plus del B by B. So we are going to add the relative error. Okay, so multiplication andalum, division andalum, the same relation. So del Z by Z is equal to del A by A plus del B by B. Okay, and the power terms are more important. Suppose third one, the power terms. Suppose if there are any power terms are there for multiplication or division, if there are any power terms are there, like for example, Z is equal to A power M by E power N. Z is equal to A power M by B power M. The power terms will get multiplied. power terms will get multiplied. So del z by z is your relative error for z is equal to m into del a by a plus n into del b by. So it is your power terms. So this is power terms just multiply. Okay, relative error we are going to multiply it. So in the base we'll do some problems. Okay, so in the problems practice panning is ரொம்ப important problems. Only power terms add in the power terms important concept. Okay, we'll do one problem on it. Take it the problem. First one. If the errors involved, first problem. If the errors involved in the measurement of a side of mass of a cube are 3% and 4%. 3% and 4%. I'll repeat the question. If the errors involved in the measurement of a side and mass of a cube are 3% and 4%. 3% and 4%. Okay, right. So find the maximum permissible error. Find the maximum permissible error in the density of the material. Find the maximum permissible error in the density of the material. Okay, now remember they have given the percentages here. So in the percentage it is for side, the length of each side, and this is for your mass measurement. So first of all, we'll see the density relation. Density is equal to mass by volume. So in the dimensions for convert panna, it is m by L cube. It is m by L cube. So power terms, so volume is nothing but here they have given with respect to the side. Volume director they have given the side. Side is nothing but your L cube volume. So it will be in terms of your division. Okay, what I'll convert it to relative or percentage error. So I am going to find the relation del rho by rho into 100 is equal to del rho by rho is equal to del m by m into 100 plus power terms on the L cube. Remember, this is upper part na shift பண்ணிட்டு அங்க L power minus 3 வருது அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே பண்ணாதீங்க. எந்த ரிலேஷன் வருது அந்த ரிலேஷன் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. So L cube இருக்கு. So power 3 இருக்கு. So power 3 will be multiplied. So 3 into del L by L into 100. Okay, 3 into del L by L into 100. Now we'll take the relation. So we are going to find the percentage for the density. Okay, so del m by m into 100 is nothing but 4%. So 4% plus 3 into del L by L. Del L by L is nothing but 3% into 3%. So the relation is nothing but it is 3 into 3 it is 9 plus 4. So del rho by rho into 100 percentage is equal to it is around 13%. The answer is around 13%. Just now on the multiply point I am getting the answer. Okay. So we'll do some more sums. If there is a doubt in the please ask me. Without doubt, it come either.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do some more sums on this. Not pointing la. Not pointing la. Okay, fine. So next question. Find the relative error. Find the relative error in Z. Find the relative error in Z. If Z is equal to A power 4 B power 1 by 3 by A power 4 B power 1 by 3 by C D power 3 by 2. D power 3 by 2. Z is equal to A power 4 B power 1 by 3 divided by C and d power 3 by 2. Remember, it is your relation. Now on the relative error mattum find out pannom. They haven't given you any values. So to find the relative error, so our power terms eppadi irukku appadi vechittu we are going to multiply the power terms. So del z by z is equal to del z by z is equal to a power 4 into del a by a plus b power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into del b by b plus c power 1. So del c by c plus d power 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 del d by d. This is your relative error of z. Okay, on the suppose value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க relative error for a, relative error for b and so on. இந்த value should substitute பண்றேன் அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, so this is your one of the method. Okay, so take the second question. Next question. Next question. So நான் ஸ்லோ போடுறேன். சப்போஸ் ஏதாவது டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஏதாவது இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு, புரியலன்னா ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் மீ தேர் இட்செல்ஃப். Okay, next question. Next question. Okay, a physical quantity x is given by, a physical quantity x is given by x is equal to a square b cube by a square b cube by c root d. X is equal to a square b cube by c root d. C root d. And if the percentage errors of the measurement, if the percentage errors of the measurement of ABCD, percentage error of the measurements of ABCD are 4%, 2%, 3%, and 1%. So these are A, B, C, D percentage errors. Okay, calculate the percentage error of X. Calculate the percentage error of X. Try it. So they have given the percentage error for ABCD. We need to find the percentage error of X. Right. No ma, கிடையாது. கொஞ்சம் திக் பண்ணுங்க. Power terms இருக்குல்ல, power terms multiply ஆகும்ல, we have to take the power terms. Answer வந்து 17.5% வருது. Answer 17.5%. செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Others, please do it. If there doubt in the, please ask me. Okay. So நீங்க பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணலன்னா கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் தான். ஸோ இந்த சம்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் கொடுக்குற சம்ஸ் எல்லாம் உங்க ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி நான் செலக்டட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ரிப்பீட் ஆயிருக்கிறதுனால தான் நான் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். எல்லா சிலபஸ் நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண முடியாது. இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக்ஸ், அதோட ரிலேஷன்ஸ், அதோட ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் தான் நான் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன். ஓகே, நீங்க டவுட் இருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 35.2 as 35/2 it is 17.5 as. ஏன் 35/2 டைரக்டா வராது, 17.5 வரும். ஓகே ஃபைன். சரி, so எப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். So we are going to find the percentage error of x. So it is del x by x into 100 is equal to a square இருக்கு. 2 வந்து மல்டிப்ளை ஆகும். So 2 into del a by a into 100 plus 3 into del b by b into 100 plus c, that is del c by c. ஏன்னா வந்து பவர் டேர்ம் 1 தான் இருக்கு. Plus d power 1/2 இருக்கு because it is square root. So it is 1/2 root of del b by d. 1 by root del v by d. So which is equal to, I'm going to find the del x by x into 100. Del a by a is 4%. 2 into 4% plus 3 into 2% plus, it is C is 3%. C is 3% plus 1 by 2 into 1%. So 8% plus 6% plus 3% plus 1 by 2. So it is 0.5% and 4. So when you add all the terms, it is 17.5%. It is 17.5%. This is your answer. Okay. Simple relation da, simple questions da, koncham practice panna easy. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts? இங்க பேசாதீங்க. Okay, next one. Next question. Next question. Ma doubts irukama? Note பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Voice clear-ஆ இருக்கா? Yes ma. Thank you ma. Okay, so next question. Next question. A physical quantity is given by q equal to a square b power 1 by 2 by a square b power 1 by 2 by c power 4 and d power 1 by 2. So q is equal to a square b power 3 by 2 by, sorry, b power 3 by 2. b power 3 by 2 by c power 4 d power 1 by 2. Okay, so we need to find the percentage error for q. So ABCD percentages are 1%, 2%, okay, 4% and 2%. 1%, 2%, 4% and 2%. We are going to find the percentage error for q. Try it, find the answer.
21%, sir.
22 ma, yes, 22%. Correct. Bharanidharan, yes ma, correct. 22%. Good. Okay, answer is 22%. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி வந்து நிறைய questions இருக்கு. And remember one more thing, இதுல வந்து significant and round off இருக்கு. So significant figures and rounding off, அது வந்து ஒரு தடவை பாருங்க. So நாளைக்கு வந்து just I'll ask you the questions from the significant figures and round off. It was there textbook like. And remember one more thing, இப்போ உங்ககிட்ட வந்து e-books இருந்தா e-books படிங்க. இல்லனா I'll share you the e-books also. Worksheets நான் கொடுக்குறேன், daily நான் share பண்றேன். Question paper share பண்றேன், எல்லாமே நான் share பண்றேன். படிக்கிறது உங்க கையில இருக்கு. And இப்போ at present, so some of you are state board, some of you are from CBSE. So உங்ககிட்ட என்ன textbook இருக்கோ textbook தரவா பண்ணாலே போதும். At present, first starting step அதுதான். Textbook நீங்க clear-ஆ படிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா நீங்க வந்து மத்ததெல்லாம் books நீங்க படிச்சா. Okay, so state board book, புது book நல்லாதான் இருக்கு. Okay, so the color book suppose உங்ககிட்ட இருந்தா அது பண்ணுங்க, இல்லனா e-books download பண்ணி நீங்க practice பண்ணுங்க. So the new book is much better. Okay, so அது கொஞ்சம் practice பண்ணுங்க நீங்க. அதுல ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கு, அது திரும்பி practice பண்ணுங்க. And remember one more thing, அந்த new bookல இருக்க book back questions இருக்கும். அதோட objectives, fill in the blanks questions இருக்கு. அது நீட்ல வர questions அது அப்படியே வந்து அவங்க ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. நீங்க வந்து அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் கிளியரா படிச்சாலே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா கொஞ்சம் கிளாரிட்டி வந்துடும். Okay, sir. So last question. So units and measurements, the important topics based பண்ணி தான் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Tomorrow we will discuss about the significant figures and rounding off மட்டும்தான். Starting ஒரு 5 to 10 minutes மட்டும்தான் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றேன். I'll ask you the questions from that. Okay, so you are going to identify the significant figures and the round off எப்படி பண்றீங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. After that we are going to start the motion is straight line. Okay, so motion in a straight line நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம். And remember one more thing, இதுல வந்து நான் டெரிவேஷன்ஸ் எதுவும் பண்ண மாட்டேன். நம்மளுக்கு டெரிவேஷன்ஸ் வேணா only அந்த கான்செப்ட், and we are going to discuss about the problems. Problems ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். Okay, easiest topic தான். Okay, ரைட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் நம்ம வெயிட் ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப் நம்ம போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். நான் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா நான் வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றேன், ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் சொல்றேன், அந்த கான்செப்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் மீ, தேர் இஸ் நான் திரும்பி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஓகே, இல்ல நீங்க வந்து கிளாஸ்ல பேச முடியல, சைலண்டா இருப்பீங்கன்னா சோ தனியா வந்து நீங்க क्वेश्चंस கேளுங்க. ஓகே, ரைட். So last question, then we'll stop it. Take the question. Take the question. A physical quantity x is related. A physical quantity x is related as x is equal to root a b square by c square. Root a b square by c square. X is equal to root a b square by c square. The error of measurement in ABCD are 2%, 1%, 3%. ABC are 2%, 1%, and 3%. Find the percentage error for x. Find the percentage error for x. Try to find it. So A is 2, B is 1, C is 3.
9, sir.
Yes, ma, correct. Answer is 9. Okay, simple தான் இருக்கும். ஸ்டார்டிங்ல உங்களுக்கு புரியாத வரைக்கும் அது கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா தான் இருக்கும். ஒன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா இட் வாஸ் ஈஸி. ஸோ ஈஸியஸ்ட் டாபிக்ஸ் தான், கொஞ்சம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் எனி டவுட்ஸ் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் மீ. நீங்க பண்ண முடியல, பேச முடியலன்னா நீங்க தனியா யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் மீ. ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட். ஓகே, டுமாரோ வில் see you. ஓகே, உங்க மேம் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஸோ மேம் வர வரைக்கும் ஜஸ்ட் டேக் எ பிரேக், then we'll start.
Thank you, sir.
Okay ma'am, thank you. Tomorrow we'll see. Practice பண்ணுங்க, கொஞ்சம் practice பண்ணுங்க. நான் திரும்பி சொல்றேன், இப்போ வந்து practice பண்ணா கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Okay, so tomorrow we'll see. Right ma? Okay, thank you.